I'm Scott Lasaf, hunter, fisherman, and professional chef. If you can catch it, trap it, spear it, or shoot it, I can cook it. And I've cooked it all. Or so I thought. This is my journey to hunt down and meet people who cook the wild, weird, and hopefully edible. Look out, critters. You're about to become dead meat. The Sunshine State is home to over 40 non-native mammals and birds, 22 reptile species, 21 fish, and 15 amphibians, and the list is growing. I'm headed off the coast of Fort Lauderdale with a group of freedivers in search of lionfish. Now, the lionfish are a highly invasive, destructive fish that's pretty to look at but dangerous to touch. The body of a lionfish is covered in poisonous barbs that put the hurt on any would-be predator or angler. But I've got a secret weapon. Lucy Card. So for those of you who are unfamiliar with what a swamp bunny is, I've got Tremaine and James Benson here. So Tremaine is heading down to the swamp. The swamp is that way. Oh, there we go. Tell you, couldn't have gone better. And man, I'd raise my glass, but I'm the only one here with a glass. Merganser, mudhen, mullet, and possum. It's what's for supper. And these are clapper rails?
Yeah.
All of them are clapper rails that we'll see, the bigger ones?
Yeah, that's pretty much all we're gonna see.
Gotcha. Do you know a lot of other people that eat mergansers? Michael, do you eat mergansers? I've just heard they're bad.
I've at least tried it.
But you said you had them in a mixed bag of ducks, and you couldn't tell one from the other.
Couldn't tell the difference.
I'm here with Mike Petusik with the Haley Outfitters, and it seems like we just went straight up for about 5,000 or 6,000 feet.
Straight up the mountain.
What are we doing here? Because, you know, people say you're going to go shoot a cow.
So the cattle have been wild on the island since 1790.
I want you to meet Ippy Aona. Now, you live here.
Born and raised.
And have you cooked much wild cow before this?
I have. It's not a staple on the menus here, you know.